Hello everybody, I'm Annie. Big birthdays. I know a game called Big Birthdays. I'd like to play with you. Just follow me and read along. I will tell you what to do. Big birthdays to touch your nose, shut your eyes, then touch your toes. Touch the top of someone's head. Touch someone who is in that bed. Brush your teeth and wash your face. But put on your shoe and tie your legs. Big birthdays to touch the floor. Put on your coats. Go out the door. Put a wagon. Bounce a ball. Walk on stilts 5 feet tall. Find a girl, then a boy. Share your very favorite toy. Big birthdays to catch a goose. Find someone whose tooth is lost. Find something that makes you lucky. Touch something you think is yucky. Pet a dog, then pet a cat. Kiss someone who wears a hat. Big birthdays to say bow wow. Quack like a dog. Moo like a cow. Jump way up high and flap your wing. Stand on your head and start to sing. Draw a picture of crown. Now do the same thing upside down. Touch your elbow, then your knee. I will tickle you. You tickle me. I'd love to play some more with you, but now you tell me what to do. Goodbye.